Hello, everyone, and welcome. This is Nala. You might know me as Segura's Craft, and I am part of the Kat Scrappiness creative crew. Today, we're having a YouTube hop in which you have a chance to win a $15 gift card to the Kat Scrappiness store. If you click the description box below, you'll find all of the information in detail about how to enter to win and what you need to do to have your name entered for the drawing. Today hop is
Autumn Friends.
I am beyond excited to introduce to you some fabulous new products from Kat Scrappiness. We've got dies, sentiments, and paper pads that are going to take your crafting to a whole new level. First up, let's talk about these gorgeous label frame dies. These 5-piece set ranges in sizes from the largest at 5 1/4 by 3 3/8 inches to the smallest at 1 1/2 by 2 1/8 of an inch. They're so versatile. You can use them for a variety of projects, from elegant cards to adorable spice labels in your kitchen. They totally give me a picture frame vibe too. Imagine placing one of these on your scrapbook page to perfectly frame a cherished photo of yours. I'm already dreaming up all the ways to use these in my next project. Next, we've got this stitched rounded rectangle craft die. And let me just say, these are giving me serious shaker card vibes, guys. This set comes with 9 dies, ranging from the large 3 1/4 by 3 3/4 of an inch to the smallest of 1 by 2 3/8 of an inch. And just like the label frame die, they also give me the scrapbook frame feeling. All right, fall lovers, this one's for you. The Fall Frame Craft Die. It's a 2-piece set with the largest being an A2 size, which means it's 5 1/2 by 4 1/4, and the inner frame measuring at 4 5/8 by 3 1/4. Now, I'm a sucker for any craft die that helps me create mass production cards, and this one does just that. The moment I saw this, I immediately thought, cute, quick, and simple cards. Here we come. This set makes it super easy for beginners to create a fun and engaging card. What's not to love? Okay, it's time to get a little wacky. The Stitch Wacky Frame Craft Die. It is a 8-piece set that comes with 3 adorable bow ties. Talk about versatility, guys, I'm telling you. Now, here's the fun part of these dies. The Wacky Frames are perfect for adding a playful touch to your project. You know how sometimes you just want to break free from the usual straight laced design and go a little wild? Well, this set is your ticket. These Wacky Frames are great for creating quirky designs that makes your projects stand out. Whether it's a funky photo frame or a fun border for a whimsical card, these dies bring a unique twist that'll have everyone smiling. By the way, if you need any additional information or have questions about these fun dies, drop them in the comment below. We're always here to help. Next up is the Tuck In Cloud Border die. And I've got to tell you, I had mixed feelings at first, but now I'm in love. But let's not assume the worst. The mixed feelings that I had was if I wanted to cut the insides out or if I wanted to keep them in. It was pretty difficult. So I ended up die cutting a bunch of these with everything together, and then I took it apart. And the results were so fun. But the measurements to this die is 5.5 by 1 1/4 inches with 2 inner cloud cuts that's approximately 2 inches long. You can create a cloud and add a subtle cloud-like cut pattern without completely cutting the cloud out. Let's talk sentiments. I'm super excited about these two sentiments, guys. Like, I'm here for you and Bestie. But we're going to start with I'm here for you. What I love most about these dies is how they can both work together and separately. I'm here for you is perfect for those heartfelt cards that offer love, sympathy, and support, whether it's for a friend, a family member, or anyone you need to send a little extra love to. This die can say it all. Plus, the possibilities are endless. You could finish the sentiment however you like. I'm here for you, friend. I'm here for you, mom. Or even just, I'm here for you. Now, on to Bestie. The Bestie craft die. This is just the opposite of I'm here for you, because it's all about celebrating that special someone. Think about it in the sense of now, instead of it, the end being endless, the beginning is beginningless. I guess you could say. So I'll give an example. You can have I'm here for you, Bestie. You can have amazing Bestie. You are the best Bestie. You are my Bestie. Just any other dies that you may have in your stash, go ahead and die cut them and cut certain words off and put it together with this, or use it whole. I mean, guys, do you hear me stuttering? It's because I'm getting so excited over this product. It's just know that both dies. Oh, I forgot to mention, they do come with a shadow. Both dies have a shadow die. And you'll see it in the demonstration and as well as the measurement slide on the screen. I'll show you an example at the end of the video, so don't go anywhere. All right, paper lovers, we have the Coffee Glitter Paper Pad. This one is also a 6x6 double-sided premium cardstock with 6 patterns and 4 of each pattern. If you're a coffee lover, this pad is going to be your new obsession. The best way to describe these colors is to imagine a cup of black coffee and think about 6 different levels of milk added to your coffee. That's the vibe. From deep, rich brown to a lighter, creamy tone. This pad is perfect for creating warm, inviting projects. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a little sparkle with their coffee? And last, but certainly not least, get ready to fall in love. The Autumn Elegance Paper Pad is a 6x6 double-sided premium card set with 6 different patterns and 4 of each pattern. I have to say, the colors in this pad are just perfect for fall. They nailed it with the name, right? From rich greens to warm browns and shimmering golds, this pad has all of the cozy vibes you need for your autumn project. Whether you're making cards, scrapbook pages, or anything in between, these patterns are going to make your creation pop. And there you have it, crafty friends. 9 amazing products from Kat Scrappiness that are sure to inspire your next crafting session. I hope you're excited about these as I am. Don't forget to check out the description box below for links to all the products, and of course, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit that notification button so you never miss out on the fun. Now, as promised, here's that mini card mentioned earlier and the other cards that I have created. Be sure to sign up for the Kat Scrappiness newsletter to stay updated with all of our latest news and events. Additionally, don't forget to fill out our Raftercopter form for a chance to win exciting prizes. You'll find the links to the Rafflecopter form in the description below on all stops in this hop. Hey, really quick. If you enjoy my content and appreciate the work of my fellow Kat Scrappiness crew members, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channels. We would be delighted to have you join our growing community. We hope you find this video both enjoyable and informative. Please share your feedback in the comments section below and let us know how we can continue to improve. Thank you for watching.